Couple of notable items relative to guns, which guns have been pretty much topic A ever since the Orlando massacre. The United States Supreme Court yesterday ruled 6-2 that domestic abusers convicted of misdemeanors can be barred from owning firearms. And then I mentioned yesterday out in Hawaii, they became the first state to put firearms owners into a database. And joining us for a few minutes on the show is Michele Byington, an attorney and gun law expert with Texas Law Shield. Michele, good morning.
Good morning.
So what has Hawaii done here that is a detriment to gun owners, in your view?
Well, let's start with the Supreme Court ruling real quick, if you don't mind.
No, I don't mind at all.
What I want your listeners to know is that many states have already enacted these sorts of laws where those who have committed acts of domestic violence and have protective orders against them already can't own guns.
Right.
So a lot of these anti-gun advocates are advocating for gun laws that are already in place. It's just an enforcement problem. These laws aren't being enforced. Okay, now to Hawaii. The Hawaii gun database, it goes to that slippery slope argument that this is step one in ultimate gun confiscation. And what makes Hawaii unique is that everyone has to fly to Hawaii. There is no driving to Hawaii, right?
Right.
There's no toll bridge to Hawaii.
You can fly or sail. That's it.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. So Hawaii is in a unique position where they will be able to create probably a pretty good and accurate gun database. Literally anywhere else, this would not work.
All right. By some opponents, it's been called a criminal database. Is that overstating it?
Oh, that's ridiculous. A criminal database or gun owners criminals? Is that what we're calling it?
Well, that's what I'm calling it. But this is one of the issues, as you well know, that the NRA has been front and center on for many years about registration, that's the step toward potential confiscation and so on. But the thing that occurs to me, Michele, is if you go to buy a firearm, you get a permit, you get the registry, you get the background check, you're already in a database.
That's a very, very great point. When you fill out that 4473 to purchase a firearm, you are literally on the books in that gun store, and the ATF has carte blanche access to it. Those of us who do go get permits are absolutely, our names are in our Department of Public Safety or state police registration. This step that Hawaii has taken with regards to a gun database, so that, I mean, those who don't buy and sell and those who decide not to get a permit, but those who just decide that perhaps they want to keep a gun in their bedside table for self-defense, documenting that and putting that on a registration is, like you said, it's the first step to just ultimate gun confiscation.
All right. Appreciate the info, Michele. Thanks. That's Michele Byington, Texas Law Shield here.